Hey everybody, just Ron here. Gonna do another unboxing today. Just want to thank everybody for your support for the channel, and let's keep moving in the right direction. Hit like and subscribe if you like the videos. So today I'm going to open up a 16-ounce oil dispenser. I don't know if you guys have seen these before, but these are the ones that you actually can spray and you pour oil out of. You can use olive oil or whatever type of oil you want, salad dressing, vinaigrette. I think you can even use like barbecue sauce as well in these things too. So let's open it up and see what's inside the box. All right, so we open inside the box here. Let's see how it's packaged. I picked the mustard or olive looking color here, but they have other colors. Okay, so we're gonna put the avocado oil in here. I'll fill it up one for one. I'll fill it up. All right, so we're gonna take the avocado oil and pour it in here. It's gonna fill it up. All right, once it's filled up, we're gonna put the top back on. Just gonna drop that right in and screw it clockwise until it screws in. Now that it's screwed in, we're ready to go. All right, so we're ready to use the item here. So we're gonna do is take this right here. There's two option modes here. You can do spray. So I'm gonna just spray this a couple times. It might take a sec because the air is in the pipes. I'm gonna squeeze it a couple times. And there it is. Now start to spray. So you can use that to spray, coat your pan. There we go. I don't waste too much, but there it is. Also, too, you have the pour option. You move down on the switch here, and now you can actually pour. I'm just going to pour a little bit, and you can pour it right out. There we go. All right. So there's the result. Once again, here's the item here. Picked it up on Amazon. I will put the link in the description below. Please like and comment if you've used this. If you used this item before, please comment and tell me how you like it. So yeah, we had to do an upgrade on this video here because we love this item here so much that we decided to buy another one. So this is going to be for our avocado oil. To try to, do something more healthy here, and we're going to just try to use that as much as possible. And also too, with the griddle outside, we're going to use this on. So also too, for the griddle outside, we're going to use this avocado oil, which is really great. But also too, we also like olive oil. So what we did was we're going to just set up another one for olive oil. And then we have our options of different types of healthy oils we can spray or drip into a pan to cook some really delicious food. They have more different colors. So you have black and you have the mustard on here. Either way, any color you pick, it will be good to go. So just definitely go on the Amazon link here and pick up an item and see how you like it, right? And yeah, and eat healthier, and we're gonna have some more healthy tips coming out. Also too, we're gonna do some gift giveaways here. An Apple gift card for $15 here soon. So just to make sure all our loyal followers are, have a chance to win, and then new followers will also have a chance to win as well. So thanks for all your support, and just keep in there, and yeah, just run out.